माय नेम इस राजू। आप देख रहे हो आरटी एजुटेक यूट्यूब चैनल। आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब बटन पे क्लिक कीजिए और बेल के नोटिफिकेशन को ऑल कीजिए, ठीक है, क्योंकि हमारी लेटेस्ट अपडेट सबसे पहले आपकी तरफ पहुंचती रही है। ठीक है, हम आपके लिए लेटेस्ट रिजल्ट अपडेट, लेटेस्ट जॉब वैकेंसी, लेटेस्ट एडमिशन प्रोसेस, काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस, फॉर्म फिलिंग प्रोसेस, सारी इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो लाते रहते हैं। ठीक है, और आपको हमारे चैनल पे जॉब सर्च करने के लिए कोई भी वीडियो ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप हमारे सीधे प्लेलिस्ट पे बटन पे क्लिक कीजिए। हमने अलग से कॉलम बनाया है लेटेस्ट जॉब वैकेंसी। रोज हम यहाँ पे अलग अलग लेटेस्ट जॉब डालते रहते हैं। प्लीज़ चेक करते रहिए। और आपको हमसे कोई भी डाउट रहेगा, अगर कोई भी आपका एडमिशन प्रोसेस, फॉर्म फिलिंग प्रोसेस में कुछ भी डाउट रहेगा तो प्लीज़ हमें अबाउट सेक्शन पे क्लिक करें, हमारे इंस्टाग्राम लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए। ठीक है, हम इंस्टाग्राम के आपके पूछ के सकते हो हमसे, आपके जो भी डाउट रहेंगे सारे हम आपको क्लियर करेंगे। ठीक है, और डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक मिल ही जाएगा हर वीडियो के। ठीक है, प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। इसकी जो लेटेस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन की हम बात करेंगे, जो कि नीति आरोग्य लिस्ट 11 मेजर टू इम्प्रूव स्कूल एजुकेशन सिस्टम। ठीक है, सारे डिटेल में बात करेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। नीति आरोग्य ऑफिशियल फेमिलियर विद द मैटर सेट द इन्वेस्टर अंडरटेकन बाय द स्टेट अंडर द इनिशियल रिजल्ट in the average 20% improvement in the school education system in the past few years. Niti Arogya, the Center Public Policy think tank, has suggested 11 measures to improve the country school education system, especially learning outcomes for effective implementation of the National Education Policy 2020. The recommendation released as a part of the report Systematic Transfer of School Education on Tuesday are based on finding of Niti Arogya's suitable action for the transfer human capital in initiate which was launched in 2017 to identify and blind the three role model state Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh for the school education sector. Officially familiar with the matter, said the investor undertaken by the state under the initiative result in average 20% improvement in the education system in the past few years. The report reviewed to instance which is the learning level of the 50 to 25% children in the Madhya Pradesh was found to have increased that in the 2 months between the baseline and midline. The experience of this stage and learning for the measure taken by 4 other states, namely Rajasthan, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, and Himachal Pradesh, are the help Niti Arogya chalk out 11 implementable measure to fix problem in their education system. A senior official said, seeking any money. It is improvement that we make school education, especially at the preschool level, more inclusive in our school level learning process. No one should be left behind or have a disadvantage. Niti Arogya Vice Chairman Rajiv Kumar said while address a webinar on the Saath initiative. The report proposed investor intervention in 5 key areas: focus of academic reforms, strengthening human capacity, strengthening administrative system, driving accountability, and creating a shared vision for change. While the implementation of a Right to Education Act result in providing near universal access to education with over 96% enroll of students in age group of 6 to 10 years, the report said the learning outcome did not reflect the improved quality of education. The report suggests that state prepare a learning outcome framework LIF to resolve this issue. For instance, Haryana has created a unified LIF called Shaksham Talika for class 1 to 5 for English, Mathematics and Hindi. Similarly, in the Jharkhand learning tracking format has been developed to track the students' wise learning levels on the key competition of class 1 to 8, the report said. It also suggests you need to simplify the assessment process and the need for learning enhanced programs to bridge learning gap remedial measure are essential, but it is not long-term solution. The report said the state need to remediation in campaign mode for the 4 to 5 year bring all children to grade level. It added, the problem is most states are almost similar. The implementation toolkits can be used by the state government to address specific problem. We have given in detail how this measure can be implemented. All the suggestions are based on the experience of these 7 states, mainly 3 states part of the Sathi initiative, and official set the condition of employment. ठीक है, ऐसे वीडियो देते रहते हैं। प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।